Hello, Voiders, and welcome to a fresh edition of I Hate Sundays. It is starting on a Saturday again. It is a nice little sunsetty view here. Yeah, it's pretty. We are going to go check out some shopping sales today first, because it's like Boxing Day and everything's off and stuff, and you guys are coming along. That's happening now. Let's do it.
They say take it off, I say keep it on. Bando, crop top, boy short, red thong. I see you in my dreams, slow motion movie scenes. Homemade crochet, dreamy with the low waist. Cheeky, tankini. Girls in bikinis on roller skates. In outer space, I see girls in bikinis in platform heels. In new Hot Wheels, girls in bikinis. Ooh, I wanna see boys in bikinis too. They look good on you.
Frenchies for sale? Frenchie?
No, I am not for sale. Well, on second thought.
I really like this jacket. But it's very similar to the Serpent's jacket I'm wearing. But I like it. It's $500. On sale though. I'm thinking about it. Stopping for a small snack in Cavatina. Ooh, a burger. Ooh. Back home after buying all these stuff and things. I didn't get the jacket yet, but I'm gonna get the jacket tomorrow. So the next day came along, and hell yeah, I got that jacket. Yes, it's Sunday now. Ha ha. We still got a couple of errands to run because of the New Year's extravaganza starting up tomorrow. And then we'll do our New Year's count up. But this week something very fun happened, and I have to show you guys. I had to take care of a dog. Marcel's dog, Chloe. Take a look at that. So everyone, this is Chloe. She just got here like an hour or two ago, and I wonder how this is going to work out. We're stuck with her for a couple of days.
Who are you? I usually sleep fast.
Good morning, Chloe. I hope you had a nice night. Food's gonna be there soon, don't worry about it. It's just defrosting at the moment. There. That's the tastiness you're getting. It's coming. Don't look at me like that. Somebody's excited about breakfast. There's something out there that's upsetting her. Look how upset she is. Yes, that is one evil bird. Where's another dog? Why is it so upsetting, Chloe? To take a shit. Waiting for Chloe to take a shit, but she don't wanna. She don't wanna take a shit today. You know, she's gotta, like, she should have been, like, taking a shit like 3 hours ago. I don't know what's going on. There we go. You did a good job, Chloe. Good job. You chased that squirrel away. You deserve a glass of water. So, I got my new leather jacket on and feeling like Nicolas Cage and wild at heart.
Look like a clown in that stupid jacket.
This is a snakeskin jacket. And for me, it's a symbol of my individuality and my belief in personal freedom.
And we're going to go to the last round of Who's Bingo of 2018. Marcel, we have a tragic story to tell you guys. They didn't let Joe into the bingo place because he was wearing shorts.
Yes.
And so now we are...
But it's weird because the shorts are very nice.
Yeah, I know. Like, if they're stylish shorts, why not let him in? Yeah. Well, anyway, we thought we're
Now
not...
surprise him and drive to his place.
Yeah, we're not the type of people who leave our friends out of the club and just, if they didn't get in, and just fuck it. No. We are now driving to Joe's and surprising him like good friends do.
Yes.
We're in Ralph's getting stuff before we go to surprise Joe.
We are here for the delicious, healthy food and booze.
You know, this piece would be maybe 120 in Germany, wouldn't it?
Here we go.
Yeah.
Bitte mach nochmal den Apfel. Bitte mach mal den Apfel.
Pistazie! Eine Tüte voller
Limetten.
Limetten!
Cook! So now we're at Joe's going to surprise him.
What's up?
How you doing?
Real friends, stick together!
So we're going to be playing this game here, and we don't really understand the rules, but I think I got them.
Body count!
I think I know the rules, huh, Frenchie?
Yes, you got this. If anybody has it, it's Ivan.
No, I don't.
So Joe won the game,
Barely.
but they Frenchie came close.
Okay, Voiders. Today we're doing no trailer reaction and no film review because it's the end of the year and our time has finally come to round everything up. So let's start off with the good stuff that happened in 2018 in the movie world. The two films that get my movie of the award this year would be Assassination Nation and Anna and the Apocalypse. Both films incredibly creative that did actually manage to revolutionize something in our genre and in the industry itself. Also, both on pretty low budgets, and I think like they really deserve it well. Also, very big standout movies for me this year were Searching, an incredible online mystery thriller. Dakota Esquivel's Deadly Crush, of course, was wonderful in the low budget world. So was The God Inside My Ear. I also really enjoyed Revenge, which was nearly perfect. I was really nicely surprised by Unfriended Deep Web, which I was suspecting to be a ridiculous little joke, but it wasn't at all. It really made sense and it was really fun to see. I Love Dogs, also great stuff. And this is probably totally going to surprise you, but I really enjoyed Jurassic Park Fallen Kingdom, or what is it called? Fallen Kingdom? I don't know anymore. Cam was also a great movie. 2017 still seems to have been the better year technically, but 2018 still had its great moments. Let's talk about the 2 reviews I did on the shitter. Inside, the remake of the French classic, and Slender Man. Those are the 2 movies that really, really, really sucked balls. I liked Halloween, but was a bit disappointed by it. I expected a lot more. Hereditary, I didn't like, even it's a total clusterfuck of a movie. Like, a part of me totally respects it, and a part of me just doesn't care too much for it. There wasn't that much horrible stuff this year, so I'm not going to be naming a lot of shitty movies. I was also disappointed though by The Predator and Best Friends Volume 2 compared to how great Best Friends Volume 1 actually was. And finally, let's do one of my favorite awards, the So Bad It's Good Award. And the So Bad It's Good Award this year definitely goes to 2 films, Strangers Pray at Night and Neil Breen's Twisted Pair. Both totally fun movies, good for all the wrong reasons. So wow, 2018. What the fuck was that? It's really weird looking back where I was last year at this moment and where I am today. I mean, last year I was still finishing school, like university, and the slight idea of moving to California was just a little dream, and it happened. And it just goes to show, guys, that you can do whatever the fuck you want to do if you put your mind to it. And I really need to thank a lot of people, like everybody that brought me close to the horror community. Like, this year gave us our first 500 subs. We were actually going for the 1,000, but YouTube started fucking around with the algorithm again, and the smaller channels became even smaller, and the bigger channels became even bigger. And I don't know, YouTube is at a low point at the moment, and I am so sure that it's going to still get a little worse, but it's going to get to the point where it is so bad that it can only get better. So trust me. And I would like to shout out so badly to my colleagues from the smaller channels, the ones I talk to almost every day with, and Queenie, Horror Addicts, good old Matt, Wannabe Reviewer, 2 Takes, After Dark Analysis, Nightmare Maven, also Emma from Spooky Astronauts, and Lee, and of course my dearest Alexandria Vaughn, the only person I have met in person so far. And hell yeah, next year I'm gonna meet Queenie and the Horror Addicts for sure. Can't wait for that. Oh yes, and a shout out to the one and only Horror Miser Monty G. And if I forget anybody, I am so sorry. I'm just a little flabbergasted and amazed at how everything went. And we have big plans coming for 2019. So I really want to get those 1,000 subs because I'm planning to start a live stream late night type of talk show next year. And I want to do the first episode of that at the Creepy Channel Crawl, either in January or February. I don't know, ask Gory when it is. We are also planning to shoot 2 films this year at least, which I will be involved in very much. And I will be keeping you updated on those definitely. I really wanted to make this talk show thing happen, and I should be saying every week, subscribe and like this channel, and but I'm just not like that. So I'm gonna do it now. Please support us here. We have big plans, and we haven't been able to do it without you guys, and we're not going to be able to if you don't continue, and we're not going to be able to if we don't even make our army even bigger than it already is. And guys, I'm very thankful and very grateful for how far we've made it. And I really don't say this often enough, but I love you, little voiders, so bad. Every little like and every little comment you guys put means the world to me. I read everything. I try to answer to everything. You don't know how much you brighten up my day if you do. So like, if you're ever watching a video and you want to comment, but you think, he's probably not even going to look at it. No, guys, you don't have no idea. Your interactions with me mean the fucking world to me. And thank you for being there. We got big fucking plans for 2019. And I'm also a little scared. I still need to take care of some documents and stuff so I can stay in LA. That will be adventurous too. We'll probably be visiting good old Frankfurt shortly at some point of next year. So there's a lot happening. I also have like just 6 scripts lying around, and I'm sorry about that review for Santa with Muscles. It was supposed to be out like 4 or 5 days ago, but it's coming in 3-4 days now. I got like 6 scripts for unfinished movie void episodes, right? Just lying there, so there is a lot of work to be done and a lot of shit that's going to be happening, and I love you guys, and see you soon, fuckers. It's gonna be a blast of a year.